Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Hottie, and this is a light pink shade. Next is in the shade Playful, and this is a light sky blue color. And lastly, the shade Imagine, and this is a beautiful glitter mix. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my dip powder application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So first, I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So I will be applying the shade Hottie on my pointy and pinky nail, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade just because I wasn't really satisfied with the opacity of 2 coats, so I went for 3 coats. So once I'm finished with the shade Hottie, I move on to my next powder, which is Playful, and I will be applying this on my ring and thumb. And again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And the same with the shade Hottie, I wasn't satisfied with 2 coats of this shade because it's very sheer, so I went for 3 coats. So once I'm finished with the shade Playful, I move on to my last powder, which is the shade Imagine, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on my middle nail. This shade is very pretty, but it can be a little bit tricky to use just because it has a lot of chunky glitters on it. So what I do is I use my other finger and gently press my nails to flatten out all the chunky bits. And I also use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area. So once I'm finished with all my colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using a chunky glitters like Imagine, just because it will protect your colors and design underneath from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.